This is a battery energy storage system. On the surface, these rows of battery cabinets look pristine. But as we switch to a thermal imaging perspective, anomalies emerge instantly. The heat signature on this unit is a clear outlier. Let's take a closer look. What appears to be a perfect battery module in the visible spectrum tells a different story in infrared. Deep within the stack, the core temperature of this module has surged to 85 degrees Celsius, well beyond its safe operating range. In large-scale systems, once thermal runaway begins, it triggers chemical fires that are notoriously difficult to extinguish. These early-stage internal hotspots are completely invisible to the naked eye. Through Osprey X's multidimensional detection, these hidden risks are transformed into precise, actionable alerts. We are committed to neutralizing safety hazards in their infancy across a broader industrial landscape through total perception. Osprey X, securing the future through foresight.